Okay, goodbye, honey. I'm gonna go to the hangar. I'll be back a little bit later tonight.
Whoa, 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 no. You are always leaving, having all the fun. It's my turn. I want to work on my car. Oh. Here, you take Eliana.
Okay. Can I at least help?
No. Absolutely not. No. You two have fun.
She's not happy about this.
Of course not. Hi, I'm Liz, and welcome back to the Hangar Hideout. You might be asking yourself, why am I here? Well, why does Michael get to have all the fun? I want to work on my car too. He always goes around saying, I need to buff this out. I need to work on the car. I need a brake. I need a brake too. So here we go. All right, so what are we doing here? Well, I'm sick of these chrome grills and I want to black them out. There's a couple ways you could do this. You could do vinyl wrap, Plastidip, leftover black nail polish from my emo days. I decided to order them much easier. I've got a full-time job. I've got really two kids. I don't have a lot of time. All right, now before you get started putting in these grills, good tip, the outer ones are angled, whereas the middle ones, more straight. You're welcome. And now I'll walk you through it. Super easy. Even Mike could do it. First step is you pop the hood. That's not the hood. Well, can't let this go to waste. You pop the hood. Now that the hood is up, we have access to the grills. You'll notice that the grills are held in by two 8mm bolts. All we gotta do, unscrew those bolts, pop out the grills, put in the new ones, and we're good. All right, so let's get started. Now, where did I put that 8mm?
Okay. Are you sure you don't need any help? Because I think she's got what you're looking for. And, yeah, we come as a package deal.
At least there's one helpful person in this house.
Hey, babe, can you hand me a 15mm socket, please?
What are you doing out here? You're supposed to be watching our daughter.
No, it's okay. I put her to sleep. I got the monitor. So, how about that 15mm?
How long have you been out here?
That's besides the point. You said you had something wrong with your car, you heard a noise, and I wanted to help you fix it.
No. Go back inside. This is me time. Get.
Never let me have any fun.
All right, now we just gotta new grills, screw them down, and we're done. We had our alone time. Success. All right, before we put them on, it's a little dirty. I figured I'd clean it. I'm using Simple Green. They're all in there hand tight. We're going to tighten them a little more, but not too much because they're plastic. We don't want them to break. All right, we're finished. Let's see how it looks. Not too bad. I like it. You can get a lot done in this video sometimes. A little time away from the daily and Well, that's all the time we have to work on cars today. I want to thank you guys for watching this episode. Don't forget to give us a like and a subscribe.
Okay, can I at least be in the outro?
Thank you for hiding out with us. Why does Michael get to have all the fun? Start it over, start it over, start it over. You're a dime. Okay. Unscrew those bolts. Pop out the hood. Put them in